Hello there, there's a severe tropical storm battering Japan at the moment. So I'm going to show you some dramatic footage of a storm moving into Vienna, but we'll start with some thunderstorms in North America, particularly in the south. We've had some record overnight temperatures in Texas, but temperatures here and across other southern states are dropping. The humidity is dropping because all this rain is coming in. That's going to be heavy and thundery, particularly towards Florida. Some wet weather along the eastern seaboard further north. For western parts of North America, it's likely to be dry and sunny, the heat building in the southwest. Now into Europe, look at this dramatic time-lapse footage of Vienna, Austria the other day. You can see how the winds pick up, the hail and the rain come in with all that cloud, and that cloud moved on into Slovakia and brought 2 or 3 inches of rain in less than 24 hours. And it all came from that cloud there. That's continuing to push its way eastwards, move things on to Friday. There's not a great deal of rain left over by this stage, but there's some more heavy thundery showers coming into Eastern Europe behind that once again. Through the Mediterranean, if you're going to be there, there's a good chance it's going to be dry and it's going to be very warm and sunny. There's some more wet weather coming into the UK on Friday. It's been a poor day today. We could do with something a bit better and warmer. Over the weekend, the winds are going to strengthen once again, but signs are we could be seeing something a little bit better next week. More on that later on. Some drier weather possibly in the next few days from Mumbai. It's been very wet in the monsoon over the past few weeks. It's been wet recently in Kerala. It doesn't look quite so wet on Friday. Some of the heaviest rain, you can see the bright colours there, likely to be across western parts of Madhya Pradesh and into Rajasthan with some flooding here. Now these are the dangerous and big waves that we've got in Miyazaki, Kyushu, Japan. This is ahead of the severe tropical storm Krosa, and the winds and the waves could be reaching 21 feet in height. Now this is the swirl of cloud that marks that severe tropical storm. It's going to be affecting not just Kyushu but Shikoku and Honshu in Japan. The winds could be gusting 100 miles an hour. It's moving very quickly northwards. I think rain's going to be the biggest impact, 300 to 500 millimeters of rain, and that's going to bring some extensive flooding. You can see by Friday the center of the storm, weaker by this stage, is moving to the north of Japan into the Sea of Japan, so the weekend should see things drying up a little bit for much of Japan. Elsewhere across Asia, some very wet weather to come across southern parts of China and into Indochina. Some thunderstorms are likely.